Vaya.
Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Narayanam Namaskrityam
Narayanam ākṣiptaṁ.
Naranchaiva Narottamam Devin Saraswatin Vyasam
Devim Saraswati Vyasam.
Tato Jayamudiraye
Namaste.
Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevayam
Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya.
Bhagavate Uttamasloke
Bhagavate Uttamasloke.
Bhaktin Bhavadir Naistiti
Bhaktim Bhavatina.
Krishnaya Vasudevaya
Krishnaya Vasudevaya.
Devagi Nandanaya cha
Devaki Nandanaya.
Nandagopa Kumaraya
Nandagopa Kumaraya.
Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Hare Krishna. Welcome all the devotees for the morning Srimad Bhagavatam discussion. So today we are going to discuss Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 2, Chapter 1, text number 20. So the chapter name is The First Step in God Realization. So from the last 20 slokas, we are discussing about the discussion between Parikshit Maharaj and Sukadeva Goswami. Parikshit Maharaj asked the question and Sukadeva Goswami is giving the answer. So today we are going to the next sloka. Please repeat behind me the sloka. Rajas-tamobhyām ākṣiptaṁ
rajas-tamobhyām ākṣiptaṁ.
vimūḍhaṁ mano ātmanaḥ
vimūḍham
ātmanaḥ.
yacched dhāraṇayā dhīro
yacched
dhāraṇayā.
dhīro
hanti tat-kṛtaṁ malam.
hanti
tat-kṛtaṁ.
malam.
Word by word meaning, please repeat behind me. Rajaḥ,
rajaḥ,
the passionate mode of nature.
the passionate mode of nature.
Tamobhyām,
tamobhyām,
as well as by the
as well as by the
ignorant mode of material nature.
ignorant mode of material nature.
ākṣiptaṁ,
ākṣiptaṁ,
agitated.
agitated.
vimūḍhaṁ,
vimūḍham,
bewildered.
bewildered.
manaḥ,
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 the mind.
the mind.
ātmanaḥ,
ātmanaḥ,
of one's own.
of one's own.
yacched,
yacched,
get it rectified.
get it rectified.
dhāraṇayā,
dhāraṇayā,
by conception
by conception
of Viṣṇu.
of Viṣṇu.
dhīraḥ,
dhīraḥ,
the pacified.
the pacified.
hanti,
hanti,
destroys.
destroys.
ya, all those.
all those.
tat-kṛtaṁ,
tat-kṛtaṁ,
done by them.
done by them.
malam,
malam,
dirty things.
dirty things.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Abhay Charnavinda A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki.
Jai Shri.
Translation, please repeat behind me. One's mind is
One's mind is
always agitated by
always agitated by
the passionate mode of material nature
the passionate mode of material nature
and bewildered by
and bewildered by
the ignorant mode of nature.
the ignorant mode of nature.
But one can rectify such conceptions
rectify such conceptions
by the relation of Viṣṇu and thus become pacified by cleansing the dirty things created by them.
Purport.
Person Persons generally conducted by the modes of passion and ignorance cannot be bona fide candidates for being situated in the transcendental stage of God realization. Only person conducted by the mode of goodness can have the knowledge of the supreme truth. Effects of the modes of passion and ignorance are manifested by too much hankering after wealth and women. And those who are too much after wealth and women can rectify their learnings only by constant remembrance of Viṣṇu in his feature composed of impersonal potencies. Generally, the impersonalist or monist are influenced by the mode of passion and ignorance. Such impersonalists think of themselves as liberated souls, but they have no knowledge of the transcendental personal feature of the absolute truth. Actually, they are impure in heart on account of being devoid of knowledge of the personal feature of the absolute. In the Bhagavad-gītā, it is said that after many hundreds of births, the impersonal philosophers surrender into the personality of Godhead. To acquire such a qualification of good realization in the personal feature, the neophyte impersonalist is given a chance to realize the relation of the Lord is everything by the philosophy of pantheism. Pantheism, in its higher status, does not permit the student to form an impersonal conception of the absolute truth, but it extends the conception of the absolute truth into the field of the so-called material energy. Everything created by the material energy can be divided with the absolute by an attitude of service, which is the essential part of living energy. The pure devotee of the Lord knows the art of converting everything into the spiritual existence by this service attitude, and only in that devotional way can the theory of pantheism be perfected. Hare Krishna. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Putale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Itinamine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharni Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashashati Shatarni Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Hare Hare Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Lumnidamya Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Hare Krishna. Till yesterday, till the last sloka, we discussed about Sukadeva Goswami. He was explaining to Parikshit Maharaj about various options, how to sit on the meditation, what to concentrate, and what to do. And now, today, he is explaining about the passion and ignorant mode. So always our mind is agitated. Who are all, since we are the conditioned souls, we are all bound by the three modes of material nature: mode of goodness, mode of passion, and mode of ignorance. Sattva, Raja, Tamagun. So these three modes, we always roaming around these three modes. We are controlled by these three modes of material natures. But the person who is in the fully conscious of the God consciousness, Krishna consciousness, that person only can transcend these three modes. He can go out of these three modes of nature, and he can be always in the mode of Sutta Sattva. There is a outside of these three modes, there is the mode of Sutta Sattva. General population who are in this material world, generally 99% of the people, they will be always in the mode of passion or mode of goodness only. Very rarely people will be there in the mode of goodness. So the transcendental mode, going out of this three mode, that is very, 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 very rare. So this is the conception. Bhagavan Krishna also telling in Bhagavad-gītā the same thing. So the people who are there as the impersonalist or who are with the knowledge, it will take some many births for them, even though they may be in the mode of goodness, they may be do some good work in the society, but until unless they are not surrendered unto the Lord, not understanding about the Lord, not understanding about the goal of life, they will be also, it will take for them also many births to understand and get into the touch of the spiritual path. And that also by the mercy of the Lord and by the mercy of the pure devotees of the Lord. It may happen or it may not happen. And that is based on the Lord's mercy. And in the Kali Yuga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who gave without seeing any qualification this Hare Krishna mantra, which will take us from this out of these three modes and keep us in the mode of Sutta Sattva. So that is the mercy of the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because of that, we got this mantra, and we are trying to connect the devotional service, and we are trying to connect with the Lord with this mantra. So today predominantly we are discussing about mode of passion and mode of ignorant. So the mode of passion, generally it will, how it is explained, it is like a mode of passion in the sense a person, as a man and a female, men and women, there is an attraction between men and women. Because of that, the mode happen. That mode is called mode of passion. And ignorant means, what is meant by ignorant? Ignorant in the sense, the person who is not following any regulative principle, who is breaking all the regulative principles, who is always dull-minded and always in the mode of sleeping mode. They will be in this, they will feel sleepy, they will dull-minded people. They'll they won't think about anything about, even they won't come to the platform of material platform also. Materially, I want to increase, I want to enjoy. That also they won't come. Those people are called mode of ignorant people. So this mode of passion and mode of ignorant, this won't help us to progress in bhakti. So that is the main point today. And in Bhagavad-gītā, chapter 2, text number 44, Krishna is saying, Bhogaishvarya prashaktaram taya prathasetasam devasayatmiga buddhihi samadhano na vidiyate. So the Krishna, what he is saying, in the minds of those who are too attached to sense